Hi, today I'm going to show you how to finish your cord with an adjustable knot. You can see that you can pull it to shorten and then pull the long to lengthen. This is a popular technique for ending your bracelets or necklaces made with cord and can be used with different cords, including satin, like I've shown here, leather, and also cotton. So again, when you're finished, you'll be able to grab the two ends to shorten your piece, just pull. And then to lengthen, you'll pull the long parts. Okay, so let me show you how I'm going to put this together. For this technique, I'm going to use two different cord colors just for instructional purposes. However, you will most likely have only one color of cord that you're using in your piece. So I've got cord A and cord B. So my first cord and my second cord here. Okay, so cord A is going to first initially wrap around cord B. So thinking about our two ends of our necklaces, if you can imagine, this is the first end that we're going to work with, and this will be the second. So keeping this part nice and straight, as straight as we can, we're going to first cross over cord A over cord B. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it twice. I kind of use my finger as a guide because we don't want it wrapped super tight around cord B here. Okay, then I'm going to take my tail and I'm going to come back behind both of these wraps and through. So I'm wrapping in this direction. I'm going to put my tail in through the loops and come back out this direction. So I've got my wraps. And then I'm going to take my tail end here, pull it through those two loops, like so. And then I'm still leaving cord B here. It hasn't done anything. I'm really just going to pull cord A and it's going to cinch up, creating a knot around cord B, the second side. And you can see that this freely moves on here because that cord B is just sitting there. The knot's wrapped around it. So we've got one side done, and you can see my tail is going to the left. Now I'm going to do the same with cord B. So this time cord A, the first one, the gray one that we were working with, is going to stay still, and I'm going to wrap around behind cord A, again creating two loops, using my finger kind of as a guide, keeping it loose, not too tight. Okay. And then again, taking my tail. So I'm wrapping this direction. I'm going to take my tail and pull it around, go through my loops, and come back out the other side. Around and through. Here's my end. And then just pull my knot tight. And there you have it. Now I have an adjustable knot that if I want to lengthen it, I pull on the necklace side. And if I want to shorten, I'm going to pull on the tails. And again, this works great for necklaces and bracelets. What I like to do with my ends, because they're not even here, is I will take my scissors and just cut off a portion so they're even. And I do like to go at a slight angle. That's totally not necessary. It's just for aesthetic. And then they're nice, even tails that can be pulled to shorten your necklace and pulled to lengthen. And there you have it. You can find this technique and many more at fusionbeads.com.